Dear students, so these couple of numericals I am going to solve it. This will be the last numericals, last lessons for this second chapter. So this was asked in 2020 examination. Okay, so the question says that the space between the plates of parallel plate capacitor is completely filled. Okay, it is completely filled in two ways. So how many ways? In two ways. In first case, it is filled with a slab of dielectric constant K, and in diagram it is given like this. So this is first case in which the dielectric slab is inserted and the dielectric constant is K. Okay. Now in second case, it is filled with two slabs, okay, of equal thickness. It is filled with two slabs. It means that there are multiple what? Multiple dielectrics. Okay, and the dielectric constants are K1 and K2 as given in this two diagram. So this is, let me consider, it has got the distance D and this is my area A. Okay, so similarly it has got, this is my A, the area, plate area is A, and this distance is again D. So the capacitance of the capacitor is same. Please remember, important thing is this, the capacitance of capacitor is same. It means that if I say capacitor of case 1 should be equal to capacitor of case 2. So I am starting solution. Okay, equation number 1. It is given, isn't it? Capacitance of capacitor is same either in situation 1 or in situation 2. Now the question says find the relation between K1 and K2. So I have to find the relation between K1 and K2. So before going to the solution part more, I would like to give you some recap of this one. So this is in multiple capacitor, which we have already done in lecture, I don't know, 27, 26 or somewhere. I will put the link of that in the description. You can watch that one. Okay, so whenever I want to solve this, I have to put it like this. Okay, isn't it? This will become CK1, and I know that I have to put it like this, so this will become CK2, connect like this. Okay, so this I have to connect in series, I have to break it like this. Okay, so this is, we have already done this. Now we know that, see, in both the cases dielectric is inserted. So let me go to the first case. We know that C dielectric is equal to what? We know C dielectric is K epsilon naught A divided by D. Okay, we know this, it is very simple. Now for case 1, okay, therefore C case 1 is equal to K is my K only, okay, dielectric, and epsilon naught I have considered A as area and D as distance. So this is equation number 2. Now I have to go to the case 2. Okay, you don't need to derive it. Okay, I will directly write it like this. For case 2, okay, for case 2, these are in, this is treated as in series. So what I get is, I will get 2 epsilon naught A divided by D, bracket open, K1 into K2 divided by K1 plus K2. For this you have to go and find the lecture of multiple dielectrics. Okay, I will give the link in the description, don't worry. So this is equation number 3. So using equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3, so what I need to do is, I have to find the relation between K1 and K2. How to find? Okay, how to find? If you think it, capacitance are equal. Okay, so I will make the capacitance of this capacitor equal with the capacitance of this capacitor this and this. And if you remember, area is going to be cancelled, d is going to be cancelled, this and this. Okay, so whenever you equal, make it equal, all the things will be cancelled except k and k1 and k2. So substituting the values of values of C1 and C2 in equation 1, what do I get? It is a 2 marks question. I will get, substituting, I will get K epsilon naught A divided by D is the value of C1, because the capacitance are equal to what will happen? C2 will be 2 epsilon naught A divided by D, and K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. Now if you look at here, D cancels, okay, K not cancel, epsilon naught A and A cancel. Then what is the relation? Relation is that K is equal to 2 K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. So this is your answer. Or you can also write, if you want to write, K is there, you bring this here, K1 plus K2, you bring it here, will be equal to 2 K1 K2. So this is the relation. 2 marks you got. Thank you.